Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with the best tips and tricks for digital parenting. Today, we'll show you how to set daily time limits using Qustodio, the ultimate parental control tool. But before we dive in, make sure to check out the description box below for a special affiliate link to Qustodio. To start, open the website Qustodio.com, then click on Login. On the drop-down list, you will see two options. In this video, we're using Qustodio for families. Click on Families. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, click on your profile. On this page, you will see several tabs under your profile. Click on Rules. Here, you will see the list of categories. Click on Daily Time Limits. Now, to set a limit, move the slider to the particular time you wish to set. Then to set for the other days, just follow the previous step. That's how you set daily time limits using Qustodio. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.